Welcome to the future. This is your chance to learn something that's gonna significantly improve your life, and that's vibe coding. That's because you no longer have to be a developer with tons of experience to create a website, an app, a business. We are gonna use a platform called Windsurf and the power of artificial intelligence to help us build websites. You imagine it, you describe it in plain English, and then you get it. You fine-tune it, you launch it, and that's how it goes with the power of artificial intelligence. Now, it may take you a couple of tries and maybe a couple of weeks, maybe a couple of months, but vibe coding gives you an incredible shot to make a fantastic business all on your own without any coding. I believe this is the best shot for most people to create a new, solid, reliable income. And I repeat, I gotta be clear, without being technical, without knowing how to code. This is the future. We are gonna create a website from scratch and we're gonna launch it on our own domain, step by step, with the power of AI. This is not gonna be easy though. It is gonna be frustrating at times, and that's because we're so early. But being early is where your main advantage is. Imagine investing into Apple 20 years ago, or buying Bitcoin when it first got started. Sure, there's gonna be a lot of uncertainty, issues, bugs, but don't wait until it gets mainstream. This is your shot right now. In this course, I'm gonna explain what you need to know to get started and launch your first website in no time at all. I'm gonna teach you in plain English what everything means: AI, LLMs, models, MCPs, all of that. I'm a designer, and if you've ever watched my design courses, you know that I focus on getting results fast without any boring theory. I won't fill your head with complicated terms and concepts. Again, I'm not a developer, and that's a huge advantage. Instead, I focus on examples and fun exercises. That's how you're gonna learn. Invest in your future. This is one of the best things that you can learn to secure your future and have a fantastic income stream. Get started right now, don't wait, this is your shot.